Hi, George here. I was going to make this video tomorrow, but AI bullied me into doing it today. Today, I'm going to show you the exact AI prompt that helps you stop procrastinating, focus instantly, and finally get things done. And just keep in mind, procrastination is not laziness. It's being overwhelmed, it's being unclear on the next steps, and it's a fear of doing it wrong. And AI can remove all 4 of those problems instantly. Okay, I'll paste in the prompt. So we're going to first ask ChatGPT to act as a personal accountability coach. And then we're going to ask it to build a 7-day anti-procrastination plan using psychology and daily AI reminders. Okay, let's go ahead and let this run. Here we go. Here's our 7-day anti-procrastination plan built on practical psychology, habit-building science, and daily AI-style reminder messages. It's structured so each day targets a different psychological barrier: inertia, overwhelm, fear, distraction, inconsistency, and reward loops. And I have to confess, my biggest problem right here is distraction, because I tend to be on YouTube the whole day long since I have 4 different YouTube channels. Okay, let's go ahead and take a fast look at this. Day 1, reduce friction. It gives you actions in here. Identify your top 3 recurring tasks, and then rewrite each task as a 2-minute version, and clear your workspace and remove one common source of friction from your workspace. And then the daily AI reminder: start for 2 minutes. Momentum beats motivation. Day 2, confront avoidance. Pick a task you've avoided and ask, why am I avoiding this? You'll uncover the core emotional reason and then work on that reason. Day 3, time boxing and environmental cues. Schedule 2 25-minute time box work blocks today. And I have another great video about how to organize your time, make your work more productive. I'll put a link for that in the description. Day 4, a dopamine reset. Process the reward. Choose a small immediate reward for each completed work block. Snack, stretch, music, short walk, and write a list of micro wins for the day. So you're rewarding your actions and not the outcome. Day 5, anti-overwhelm strategy, task chunking. If you have a long task or big task, break it up into smaller steps, making it easier to handle. If it's easier to handle, it's easier to do. Day 6 is an accountability loop. Use AI or a person. Decide on your accountability partner. You can do a daily check-in on AI if you want to. This is where I've talked about in previous discussions how the more you use AI, the more it begins to understand your particular routine, and it can then help you with things like this. A friend or even just journaling helps. And day 7, systems, willpower, build your weekly routine. So we're going to be planning a new routine here for the coming week. And a bonus down here, a daily check-in format that ChatGPT can work with you. A great way to approach and attack your procrastination issues: simply work through this routine and you'll be ahead of the game in no time. And don't forget, I'm just giving you the basic prompt up here. Feel free to come in and add in more specifics on this to get an even better or more personalized answer from ChatGPT. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you tell me that in the comments. Also, go ahead and ask questions or anything else you want to talk about in the comments. I check comments all the time and I respond to every single comment. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.